Okay, moving on to next 10th question. A science quiz which has 100 questions was conducted in a class of 55 students. 5 marks were awarded for the correct answer, 2 marks were deducted for the wrong answer. The lowest score is 54 marks, less than average marks of the entire class. The average score varies from 52 to 58, including the extremes, if the scores of any one student is excluded. Scores of any one student is excluded, so average vary from 52 to 58. I mean, 52 average will be what? I mean, initial average must have been between these two, right? 52 and 58. Correct. So if I remove the highest marks, okay, then the average will be lowest, which is 52. If I reduce the lowest marks, I'll get the highest average as 58. This is how the process of the concept is working here, right? Okay, if the least and highest scores are unique, find the highest score in the class. Okay, let's solve it. Alright, lowest score is 54% marks less than average. Let's say average is A. So lowest marks will be A minus 54. 55 students, average is A, so total marks must have been 55 into A. Okay. So, as I stated earlier, if I reduce the lowest marks from this, so total minus lowest marks, right, and then I calculate the average, okay, that should be equal to the highest average. Correct. If I exclude the lowest marks, the average must have been highest, and according to range, it should be 58 only. So can I say the average, that is this upon 54, because there will be one less student now, should be equal to what? 58. Okay, what will get you? 55a minus a is 54a, minus plus 55 into 54 is equal to 58 into 54. Alright, I think sorry. Oh, sir, why I am multiplying this? Okay. It will be simply 54 only, right? Yeah. Now 54 will be cancelled out, right? So a plus 1 is equal to 58, or a is equal to 57. Average will come out to be 57. Alright. Now if I exclude the maximum marks, the average must have been 52. So let's say maximum marks which I need to find is, let's say, M. Okay. So total amount was 55A, that is 55 into 57, minus maximum marks, that is X, let's say, upon 54 should be equal to the lowest average, which is 52. So that gives you X as 55 into 57 minus 52 into 54. There is nothing common here, so I need to solve it and get the answer. I think further thing you can do, right? The answer will come out to be 327. Clear? Not very straightforward, I can say, right? There are some extra information also which was not uses, like plus 5 minus 2, there is no need of that. Okay. So this question can be done in second round also, right? I mean, if I do it in sequence wise, that should be left out in the first phase because it's confusing. You should go for another question, and then if the time permits you can come back to this.